Hello everyone and welcome to the Safety and Compliance Center. This is Bilal Khan and here I will simplify NEBOSH IGC course for you. I'm very confident that by the end of this session you will have much better understanding of the topic if you will interact with the exercises given between the sessions. In this video we are going to discuss about the active and reactive monitoring. Active monitoring is actually checking about the safety measures are in place and working properly before something is went wrong, and reactive monitoring is on other hand involves looking at the accidents, the incidents, the ill health data that have already happened to learn from them and improve the current health and safety management system. While we're talking about the active and reactive monitoring, two ways to keep the people safe at work. Active monitoring means checking the safety measures before anything bad happens at the workplace, like making sure the equipment is used properly and the rules are followed by the workers. It is all about preventing the accidents. On the other hand, the reactive monitoring looks at what went wrong after something has already happened, like accidents or the health issues, so we can learn from it and fix the problems. Both are important for keeping the workplace safe and healthy. While discussing the active monitoring in detail is checking if the health and safety rules and standards are being followed before anything goes wrong, and the health and safety precautions are implemented at the workplace. It measures whether things are being done as planned. For example, checking the number and quality of the risk assessments, making sure the health and safety training is done on time, ensuring the committee meetings are held at schedule, and confirming that the workplace inspections are carried out routine wise. While active monitoring can include the safety inspections, sampling, and tours, a safety inspections is a detailed check of the workplace that makes sure that everything is safe and meets the legal requirement. The safety sampling takes some smaller representative check to quickly see if more visible and high level walk around, often done by the senior managers to show the leadership, engage with the workers, and check the overall health and safety culture at the organization. Well, the safety inspections involve checking the workplace equipment and machinery, often through a statutory inspection or pre-use inspection checklist, usually done by a line manager or the competent person. The safety sampling take a sample representative look at the specific areas to quickly judge the compliance, making it less time consuming. Well, the safety tours are a high profile walkthrough around the workplace, which is led by the senior managers, aiming to be visible at the workplace, engage with the staff, and show leadership in the health and safety. Well, the systematic inspections are planned checks that covers the different parts of the workplace to make sure everything is safe and working properly. This includes inspecting the plants, equipment, machineries, vehicles, and other workplace equipment or the workplace environment. It also looks at the how the work is carried out, how the people are working, the behavior of the workers, and whether they are following the safety procedures such as the safe system of work, the job safety analysis, or the permit to work system. When planning the active monitoring, there are multiple factors that need to be considered. You need to decide the type of monitoring required, how often it should be conducted. It's also important to clearly assign the responsibilities and making sure that the person doing the checks or the inspection in the workplace is competent, using the checklist, which helps to ensure that nothing is missed during the inspection, and there should be a plan in place to take actions on any findings at the workplace, which is highlighted during the inspection process. An example of an inspection system at a bank head office might have the purpose of monitoring the health and safety standards. The inspections could be done monthly with managers at different levels responsible for carrying them out. These managers should have at least a one-day training course to be competent. A general inspection checklist would be used and adjusted if needed. Any issues found during the inspection would be addressed through a clear action plan as a part of the follow-up. Now it's your turn. In the comment section below, please list the topic headings you think should be included in the inspection checklist for our workplace. Also, feel free to share your ideas of how you would design an inspection checklist. We would love to answer your ideas and discuss these issues in the comment section to keep the session interactive. A typical workplace inspection checklist includes key areas to keep everyone safe. This is usually covers the fire safety to prevent and control the fires, housekeeping to maintain clean and tidy environment, and environmental issues like the waste management. It also checks the traffic routes to ensure safe movements around the site, chemical safety for handling hazardous substance and machineries, and electrical safety to prevent accident with equipment. Finally, it looks at welfare facilities to make sure that everyone is safe at the workplace, and to ensure that the rest areas and other welfare facilities are clean, lit and ventilated. The reactive monitorings look at the accidents, incidents, ill health, and other unwanted events that have already happened at the workplace. It helps to highlight the areas where the things have gone wrong or where safety measures have failed. There are two main ways to do this: learning lessons from the specific events, like an accident, or analyzing data collected over a longer period to identify the patterns and the problems at the workplace. The reactive monitorings look at the accidents, incidents, ill health, and other unwanted events that have already happened at the workplace. It helps to highlight the areas where the things have gone wrong or where safety measures have failed. There are two main ways to do this: learning lessons from the specific events, like an accident, or analyzing data collected over a longer period to identify the patterns and the problems at the workplace. One common way to measure the reactive monitoring is the lost time accidents frequency rate. This shows how many lost time accidents happened for every 100,000 hours of work. It is calculated by taking the number of the lost time accidents during a set period, multiplying by the 100,000, then dividing by the total hours work in the same period of time. This helps to track how often serious accidents occurred and shows if safety is improving or need attention by the management. Thank you very much for watching this video from the Safety and Compliance Center. If you have any question regarding this session, please drop your questions in the comment section below. I would love to answer that. This is your channel. Like it, subscribe it for more safety content. Stay safe, stay blessed, and goodbye.